Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy XCover Pro, and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So firstly, we have to enter the settings, and here let's find the biometrics and security. Now let's scroll down in order to find install unknown apps option. Let's tap on it. And as you can see here, we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install anything. In order to change it, for example, in order to allow Chrome to install some content, simply tap on it and tap on the switcher right here. As you can see right now, it is active, but be aware that you're doing it on your own responsibility, because some third-party apps are not verified by your developer, so you may put your device into the risk and your private data. So as you can see right now, it is activated. After getting back, you can see that from now on the Chrome is allowed to install some content. Obviously it will work with all other apps, for example Gmail, Opera, and so on and so on. Of course you can turn it off whenever you want. Just go back, tap on the app and tap on the switcher again. After getting back, it immediately changes. So actually that's all. This is how to allow unknown sources in your Samsung Galaxy XCover Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.